In a single day, we've seen patriotism march through the streets, ancient traditions rise into boardrooms, and nature remind us who's in charge. 3 events, 1 lesson. Leadership is tested in unity, in change, and in crisis. Let's decode today's news, the reply like a pro way. Part 1, Har Ghar Tiranga, the art of inspiring unity. When a leader doesn't just ask people to wave the flag, but makes them feel the flag is theirs. That's when patriotism moves from an action to an emotion. Today in Madhya Pradesh, the streets aren't just decorated, they're alive. Silent processions are weaving through towns. Students are sweeping streets. Families are placing flags on their rooftops with pride. But here's the pro angle. This isn't only about a tricolor on a pole. It's about ownership. The BJP's Har Ghar Tiranga campaign didn't just tell people what to do. It invited them to be part of something bigger. And when people feel they own a cause, they defend it fiercely. That's why involvement beats announcement. Lesson: when you want unity, don't just give instructions, create an invitation to belong. If unity is about belonging, then progress is about honoring where we came from and where we can go next. 2. Jagthik Adivasi Divas, rewriting the script of representation. Empowerment doesn't mean replacing tradition. It means giving tradition a seat at the table of progress. Across India today, tribal voices are not just being heard, they're being amplified. Women from forest communities are becoming educators, entrepreneurs, political leaders. They are carrying traditions in one hand and technology in the other. This is the quiet revolution, not charity, not tokenism, access. Access to resources, education, and platforms. Pro insight. Real change honors the roots while reaching for the sky. A culture's strength is not in isolation, but in its ability to grow without losing its soul. Lesson: don't erase history to create progress. Use it as the foundation to build higher. And just when you think progress is steady, the skies remind you. Leadership is about what you do when the ground shifts beneath you. 3. Monsoon alert. Leadership in the storm. A leader who only prepares for sunny days is not a leader. They're a tourist. Today, heavy rains lash UP, Bihar, and eastern India. In the hills, landslide warnings flash across radio and television. Communities brace. This is where leadership is tested, not in speeches, but in action. Risk management is not an emergency reaction. It's a daily discipline. And when you lead in crisis, clarity matters more than comfort. Pro insight. A calm, factual, actionable voice can save more lives than panic-driven orders. Lesson: your credibility is built before the crisis, but it's proven in how you guide people through it. Whether it's a flag, a festival, or a flood, the reply like a pro principle stays the same. Involve people so they feel part of the solution. Honor the roots while building the future. And prepare for the storm before the clouds appear. That's not just leadership, that's legacy. Stay proud, stay empowered, stay prepared. This is Reply Like a Pro, signing off until the next conversation that matters.